Bronze medalist this year in Oslo from Kyrgyzstan, Ayteri Melikizzi. And Melikizzi for the result. Now she takes advantage. Last quarter points. And she's on the way. And Ayteri Melikizzi goes on back of her point for